Packing up the RV, hit the open road. Stars and stripes wave as our stories unfold. Campground Views shows us where to stay. From coast to coast we find our way. Every mile story to share. Freedom's in the open air. Exploring trails on the sky so wide. With Campground Views we take the ride. Freedom's calling, adventure's here. Campground Views, we hold it dear. From mountains high to rivers wide, exploring the land side by side. Waking up to dawn's first light, under a sky of stars at night. Each campsite a new frontier. With Campground Views we journey near. Every mile story to share. Freedom's in the open air. Exploring trails on the sky so wide. With Campground Views we take the ride. Freedom's calling, adventure's near. Campground Views, we hold it dear. From mountains high to rivers wide, exploring the land side by side. Road trips and dreams unfurled. With Campground Views we see the world. From sea to shining sea we roam. Every campsite feels like home. Mountains high to rivers wide, exploring the land side by side. So here's to the journeys and the stars above, traveling free in this land we love. The Campground Views, our guide and friend, on the open road, our freedom moment. So here's to the journeys and the stars above, traveling free in this land we love. With Campground Views, our guide and friend, on the open road, our freedom moment.